Next, we got Nero Claudius from Fate. Nero is pretty.
走れそうによ風のように月見原をパドルパドル
Okay, then we got Cut Holly from Suka Suka. Suka?
The suka? The suka suka?
Dun 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 dun!
She baby, yeah, she baby.
She baby.
She baby.
She baby. She baby.
Pepe pepe. Papu papu.
Papu.
Papu papu.
Baby papu.
Pepe papu.
Papu.
Papu papi papu papi pipi papi pipi pipi papi papu pipi 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 papi pipi
Did you say stoppity bobbity somewhere in there? No, I don't know what I was saying. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Pew 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 pew. Why did you go back to pew pewing?
Because you can go back and forth.
Oh, you can?
Yeah. I just didn't play the whole thing.
I don't. You're welcome. Thanks for coming to the stream. Bye.
You just got coconut mauled. Share this with all your friends to totally coconut maul them.
Sound. I don't know. Okay. Next we have Casper! Are you fucking kidding me, man?